You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is z equals 15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group all z terms on the left side of the equation. Add z to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 15 over 4 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the z. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is z equals 15.